Hi guys, welcome to Fixcrews again. Here today we're going to install this Salus RT310RF. Out of packaging, you get the manual and the wiring instruction and the user manual. You have got this thermostat which is wireless, and you have got this receiver which you've got to wire it. It comes with a little seat for this thermostat, where you can make it stand on a table, or you can just hang it in the wall hanger. A set of screws and more plugs, and then we have got the batteries that you can put on the front here. You slide it down, open the battery, slide it back in. There is a pairing button as well, but we rarely use it anyway. It's gonna get paired itself. Yeah, for wiring such thing, you got to have the wire stripper or wire cutter, the electric screwdriver, of course the thermostat, and some wire. Here we have got the 3-core wire. You need a 4-core wire, but we can also do it with 3-core wire. Yeah. Okay, you need to undo the back of it. There you have got from right to left, you have got the neutral, the live, the common, and the NO, which is switch live. What you need to do is just loop it if you don't have 4-core wire, because this common is also live. So L with common is going to be looped, then you have got live, neutral, and the switch live. Well, I'm gonna be doing the wiring, then I'll get back to you. Yep. Before you touch any wiring or any gas boiler, you need to have license. You need to be licensed or be competent. So when you open the back of it, you remove this cover. You'll see here immediately. I don't know if you can see. There is live from the bottom. Then there is neutral, then there is earth. And out of these two, you can read it here. The top one is switch live, which goes to NO. And the bottom one is the live out, 230 volt. So I'm going to use this loop to go there, and one wire comes into the very top on the switch live. Yep, this is how exactly it's supposed to be wired. You can see from left to right, you have got the switch live, which goes to the very top. Switch live here. And then you have got the live and neutral, which is live. From the right, there is neutral, left is live, and then live and commons are looped. Okay, I say again, you need to cut off the electricity to the boiler. Make sure there is no power into it, and you need to have a bit of knowledge with electricity or be licensed. Yeah, do not touch it if you're not. Yeah, if you have noticed, there are 2 buttons in the front, which is on and off, and then the auto and manual. If you want to control it externally, make sure that it's on, of course, and then that is in the auto position. If you want to control it from within itself, you can push it for manual, and then you can control it from the receiver. Otherwise, it's done, as you can see. And now let's demonstrate this bit. The current temperature is 19.5. The temperature on the thermostat is 10. So I'm gonna push it up above 19.5 degrees. So let's see, I'm gonna put it in 25. Then you'll see the green light will appear, yeah, and then the boiler started here. You can see the little flame onto the thermostat. So when I go back below 19.5, let's say 12, the light will disappear and then the flame will disappear from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.